Good morning, everybody. This is Monday morning, and we're starting here. We're actually in Taylorsville, Maryland. Some of my locals know where that is. And fuel is down to $3.99 here, which is kind of impressive. It's usually higher here. But across the street at 7-Eleven, which you can't get into with the truck, is $4.09, and over here at the Marathon, it is $3.99 a gallon. So that's the lowest pump price with no discount that I've seen for a long time. Probably over a year at this point, so very happy about that. So we're gonna fill up here, and then we're gonna get on the road. But it's a good day. I'm on the right side of the dirt. I'm not selling Pokemon cards for a living. We're doing good. Doing good, guys. Let's keep this going. Since I'm at the world's slowest diesel pump, I might as well go around here and show you what we got in the trailer. Well, first in the trailer, 1931 Ford. This thing is going to Pembina or something like that, North Dakota, which is because it ends up going to Canada. Goes to a place called Border Parcels. They'll take care of storing it, and then it gets shipped across the border. Now, let's see if I can get up in here. This is the real reason for the trip. This is a Chevelle full drag car. Like, those aren't real lights, that's painted on. Full drag car. We winched it into the trailer because it's tight, and it's got over a 600 cubic inch motor in it, so there's no real like idling it into the trailer. And it's super low. As you can see, the winch is still hooked up. Straps on the front, straps on the back, and this is the real reason for this trip. Local guy to meet, I kept getting tagged in his post, and found out what the guy was going to pay to get it shipped, and I said, if he's paying that, well, we're doing the trip. Welp, Janesville, Wisconsin. This TA is in a neighborhood. I'm pretty sure, obviously, the TA was here first, but like directly, see that trailer, the dry van, or is that a reefer? I can't tell. Box trailer there to the left, the white one with the stainless rear doors. On the other side of that, you see the brick wall. There's a fence on top of that. There's literally a neighborhood 25 yards on the other side of that little hill. It's just crazy. It's just, I'm sure whenever these people moved in, they didn't think it'd be this loud, but trucks coming in and out of here all night long. I got tucked into a little spot right here. I can back out, but there's like three-ish spots that stick off here on this end. That truck there in front of me to the right, I can probably squeeze between being having this bumper pull trailer. I can probably squeeze in straight out between him and this truck to my left. There's a truck directly to my left here. I don't have my phone in my hand. Hold on. Directly to my left there. So I could squeeze out there, or these guys may be gone before me in the morning. I don't know when everybody got here, obviously, but it's been a day. I've been on the phone a ton today. I'm trying to do some moves in the business as far as social media and things like that, which take time and a lot of phone calls and emails. So I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. We'll check the load together in the morning once the sun's up, and I'll show you a little more of that drag car. As I check the rear straps, we'll drop that rear gate, which I did earlier a few times, but it's been pretty much raining all day. But I'm thankful that it is like 40 degrees, so we haven't been dealing with any snow, and I think we've got 900 and some odd miles, 971 miles left to go. Sydney, Montana. Oh, doing a little cargo check here, and brought a bunch of extra clothes in case something were to happen. Got bibs, got extra sweatshirts. I just have them in the trailer, keep the truck less cluttered, but it's a little nasty out here. So we're gonna stop and get some food, check the load, put some boots on. This trailer is going to need, truck and trailer is going to need one heck of a bath, because it is going to be a salty mess for the rest of this trip. But let's go get some food and keep heading to Montana. Well, good morning, my beautiful people. Like I said earlier, it was last night, that I'd just been busy yesterday, and I thought I'd lost this camera. I couldn't find it, that I use for all my end cap shots, but I ended up finding it deep in my. I carry a backpack around. It's got my laptop, all my cameras, all my chargers, things like that. It was buried in the bottom. So we're currently in Wisconsin. It is 33 degrees. It's snowing a little bit, but it's really windy. It's I guess that would be coming from the west and hitting us right on the side of this window. And it's made for an interesting ride so far this morning, but thankfully we're loaded and loaded properly. It hasn't been that bad. There's a truck right there spreading salt. I didn't think I'd hit that much of weather. As I looked at the radar this morning, the snow is like circling back around. So it's it had been raining yesterday, and then it's coming back through. I guess it cooled off with some snow, probably near like Black River Falls. I may hit some like actual snow. Right now the roads are just wet, and it's I'd say just like light snow. It's not really flurrying, but I keep watching my mirrors. I always watch like the back side of the mirrors, or like the mirror arms, to see if it starts freezing, to know how cold it really is outside. But I will, I'm going to stop here and probably, I don't know, I'm going to hop on, fuel's down up here. Regular pump price up here is like $3.97 is the last place I saw that passed on the sign. So probably get it for $3.70-ish with discount. So I'm going to hop on there and see where we can get fuel next, and just do a quick load check. Did one first thing this morning. Did one last night, did one first thing this morning. Just kind of go over everything, and all is good. So our ETA for delivery is probably about 24 hours from now. We'll be in Sydney, Montana. Well, we have made it to Fargo, North Dakota. I'm going to stop here at this Love's and get a shower, because I don't know if wherever I stop is going to have a shower. I've got some free showers at Love's right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of that. It's like 4:30 out here, but this weather's been a little crazy. So we're gonna pull into the Love's here, and I had an instance on the highway with some. It's blowing. It's not actively snowing, but the snow's blowing all over the road, and if you know anything about like out this way, they have like snow fences to keep that from happening. Well, you get breaks in the snow fences, and I was just driving along, you know, the roads are like just a little wet, and all of a sudden it starts pulling me off the road. Let off the gas, don't touch the brakes, and it came back over. It was a little scary, and part of that is how windy it is out here. But we're going to get a shower here, and then kind of assess, see how far we can get while the sun's still up, or well, it's still bright outside, the sun's not out, but you know what I mean. See how far we can get, because the last thing I want to do is be out there in the dark and have something happen. So pull in here, and I can't see a sign. Fuel is $3.99 here in Fargo. I honestly have no idea why anybody would want to live in Fargo, North Dakota. Whew, brutal. Well, we got about another hour and 20 minutes left. Stopping here at this rest area to use the restroom. Once you get this far out in North Dakota, there ain't many stops. Now look at the amount of snow they have out here. Just pulled in beside this guy. I'm gonna run in here and use the restroom, and then gonna be staying in Bismarck, North Dakota for the night. But just like, look at the drifts. Unbelievable. It's about 4 below right now with the wind chill. Now come over the hill, and there's Bismarck. Bismarck, North Dakota is going to be the final resting spot for the night.